Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to turn off YouTube video comments. So the first thing you need to do is to identify that video you want to remove. You want to turn off the comments so no one can comment on that video, or you don't want anyone to see what comment you have on that video. So let's go straight to our YouTube studio without wasting much of our time and click on content. Now click on search. But before you do that, first sort out a video. Like me, I'm going to sort that video by clicking on most viewed. Now click on that particular video you want to turn off the comment section. Click on this pencil tool you can see right now on the screen. Let's scroll down and click on more options. Scroll down till you see comments. Click on this old potentially inappropriate comment. Click on it to display every option you are given there. Now click on disable comments. Now just click on back to more options and click on save. I think we just turned off the comments on this video, so let's reload this page again. We cannot open the comment section, or we cannot even make our own comment on this particular video. Comments are turned off. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I upload a new video.